Hey everyone, Jamie here from TechnicalCafe.com. In this video I figured I'd do something a little bit different and just make a quick video that has a couple updates about the channel, about some new equipment that I have, and a couple other things. So the first thing I want to point out before we get into that is that what you're seeing is actually me playing Minecraft last month, on August 11th actually, and I was playing it on the PC and just creating a little house or something like that. I was kind of just playing around and recording video. And I haven't actually done anything like this on the channel before, I don't think, so please let me know what you think about this, me talking over the video and giving you something to look at rather than just a blog post or the YouTube channel or something like that. So this is me playing it on the PC again. I don't think I updated it. I think there might have been an update when I was recording this video, but this is what I had. So again, please feel free to let me know, and let's get into some of the content that I wanted to talk about. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was that we actually, a couple weeks ago, hit 100 subscribers for the Technical Cafe YouTube channel, and right now we're up to 121 subscribers, and we also recently hit 30,000 views, and when I recorded or wrote down on the computer some information, I recorded that we had 30,233 video views. So what I want to say, guys, is thank you for watching all of my videos and tutorials that I've made, and also thank you for commenting and asking questions and subscribing. It means a lot. It's really fun to jump on here and see people talking about my videos and leaving comments and asking questions, and it's kind of fun to talk with you guys and see how these videos are helping you out and getting feedback and seeing how I can improve them and stuff like that. So please keep up what you're doing there. I'd love to talk to you guys and I'll find out more about what you guys want to see. So comments, suggestions, anything like that are always welcome. You can send me an email by going to the technicalcafe.com website and clicking on the contact page, or you can send me a YouTube message or just leave a comment. I'm also available on Twitter at twitter.com/jamiemcg, or you can tweet the Technical Cafe Twitter account at twitter.com/technicalcafe. So feel free to use any of those to contact me with suggestions, questions, feedback, anything like that. So the next thing I want to talk about is that for the rest of the CSS tutorials, I'm going to try to record some of those soon and have those up. Right now we're up to CSS tutorial 7. And after the CSS tutorials, I'm thinking about maybe doing some JavaScript, PHP, and some more web development type languages, maybe showing you guys how to build an interactive website with databases and stuff like that. And then maybe even we can get into some Java if you guys want. It's up to you. So feel free to leave some comments about what you'd like to see next. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching these videos, subscribing, commenting, liking, and giving me your feedback. I really do appreciate it, and it means a lot. And it's great to be able to talk to you guys and see, what you guys want to see and stuff like that. So again, thank you so much, and thank you for watching this video. And again, please feel free to contact me with any questions, comments, or suggestions. And have a great day.